Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 4 series. So today we look into franchise. Franchise business. It's a business driven by an agreement. The franchisor rents his business name, production method or whole business to a local party called franchisee. There are three types of franchise agreements: product franchise, manufacturing franchise, business format franchise. Product franchising. With this, the manufacturer uses the franchise agreement to determine how the product is distributed by the person buying the franchise. Manufacturing franchise. The franchisee is permitted to manufacture the products under the license and sell them using the originator's trademark and name. Example: Pepsi Productions in Sri Lanka. Business format franchising. This opportunity is very popular and involves providing the franchisee a proven business model using a recognized product and also a brand. Examples would be KFC, McDonald's, Pizza Hut. Following conditions are included in a franchise agreement: rights and responsibilities of the franchisor and the franchisee, royalty payments, validity period of the agreement, facilities offered by the franchisor, reasons for cancellation, responsibilities of the franchisee to the franchisor. He should conduct the business according to the terms and conditions of the agreement. He should invest a reasonable amount of capital. He should purchase materials only from the approved suppliers. He should pay the accurate amount of royalty payments. He should protect all the available business secrets of the franchisor. He should not start a business in a competitive field. He should sell all the products at agreed prices and also agreed standards. As per the agreement, the franchisor provides the following support services to the franchisee: granting permissions to use the trade name, provide management training, provide marketing assistance, provide financial assistance, helping in the completion of the layout of the business, supplying the products or goods and equipment, provide technical knowledge. According to the agreement, the franchisee should fulfill the following: agree to act in accordance with the conditions of the franchisor, making capital investment, to make purchase of goods only from the franchisor or his authorized suppliers, to make the payments as agreed with the franchisor. These are some of the benefits a franchise business methods give to an franchisor: ability to expand his business without further investment, ability to share the costs of advertising with the franchisee, ability to obtain returns from the investment of the franchisee, ability to obtain spontaneous returns with the franchisee's efficiency, being nourished by the franchisee. Some benefits of the franchise business to the franchisee: ability to acquire a larger market from the goodwill of the franchisor, gets a lot of popularity due to the popular trade name, ability to get management training from the franchisor, possibility of receiving financial support from the franchisor, ability of obtaining raw materials at a minimum price. Now let's look into some of the limitations of a franchise business to the franchisor. The franchisee's unsuccessful business activities may adversely affect on the profits of the franchisor. Any unfavorable activities of the franchisee can have an adverse effect on the goodwill of the franchisor. Retention of most of the profits are with the franchisee. To the franchisee, because the franchisor retains his control, the franchisee does not get perfect autonomy. Need of incurring a greater cost to receive the initial franchise. The possibility of profitability is being uncertain. A certain level of risk is involved because of the dependence of the goodwill on the franchisor. The franchisee facing severe inconvenience because of the need of adherence to the franchise agreement. Now let's look into cooperatives. So this is basically a private sector business that has been started with the primary intention of facilitating its members' welfare. Policies or principles of cooperatives declared in 1995 Manchester Summit. Voluntary and open membership to all. Democratic member control. In cooperatives, every member is allocated with just one vote. Further, all directors are also appointed according to a democratic election process. Member economic participation. Every member contributes towards the cooperative capital or equity, and any surplus that is earned by the cooperative is distributed among its cooperative members. Autonomy and independence. So this is a self-help organization controlled by their members. Education, training and information. Cooperatives provide education and training for their members, elected representatives, managers and employees so they can contribute effectively to the development of their cooperatives. Cooperation among the cooperatives. Cooperative societies develop a particular link or a mutual understanding among themselves. Therefore, cooperative depends on other cooperatives. Concern for community. It means cooperatives work for the sustainable development of their communities through policies approved by their members. Cooperative law in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, all cooperative businesses are established and governed by the Cooperative Societies Act No. 5 of 1972. This act has been amended in 1992 with several changes. So the following are the changes that were made. The membership fee of Rs 100 can be paid in Rs 10 installments within the first year. Voting power is granted to the members only after completing 1 year membership period. Politicians are not permitted to be appointed as the officials to cooperative administration. All members should present their signatures when a new cooperative is registered. All cooperatives should be classified as primary and secondary. Characteristics of cooperatives. Registration. Cooperatives are registered under the Cooperative Commissioner in Department of Cooperatives. The registration is also compulsory. Ownership. Cooperatives are owned by its members. Minimum is 10 and the maximum is unlimited. Capital. Capital is generated mainly through the membership fee, which is Rs 100 per person. Further, government may also provide loans when the capital is insufficient. Legality. All registered cooperative society maintain the legal personality. Therefore, the name of the society has a separate legal existence. Control. Cooperatives are controlled by the following sources. Cooperative members can control, or Cooperative Commissioner can also control the cooperatives. Management. Cooperatives are managed by the Board of Directors, and there should be a minimum of 7 directors in primary level cooperatives. Liability is limited, but only in credit cooperatives the liability is unlimited. Accounting and auditing. It is compulsory to maintain accounts and also to conduct audits. Distribution of surplus. So as we discussed, the surplus are distributed among its members. Taxes. They should pay taxes to the government under the name of the cooperative. They might be entitled to a lower tax rate from the government. Perpetual succession. All cooperatives maintain the perpetual succession. Dissolution. Cooperatives can be dissolved by the following parties, either by the commissioner or by the members. Starting a cooperative society. Cooperatives can be started by individuals or by a registered cooperative.
Registration procedure of cooperative society. Completed application form. 2 copies of the cooperative constitution or cooperative bylaws. The proposed economic feasibility report. AGM report which provides the members' consent to register the cooperative. A report on the utilization of the membership fees. A roadmap that gives the direction to the cooperative office. So the above documents will be inspected by the officers of Cooperative Development Department, and then the registration is done by the Cooperative Development Commissioner after considering the economic feasibility. Types of cooperative societies in Sri Lanka. Sanasa cooperative societies, school cooperative societies, tea, rubber and coconut producers cooperative societies, small and medium scale industry cooperative societies. All cooperative societies are conducted and administered according to the guidelines that are given in the cooperative bylaws. This includes the following conditions: the main objectives and functions of the cooperatives, the rights and responsibilities of the members, the rights and responsibilities of the director, how the directors are appointed in the cooperative, the membership payments and voting powers, the process of distributing the surplus, the reasons for the dissolution of the cooperatives. Benefits of a cooperative society. So 10 persons can get together to initiate a cooperative society conveniently at a low investment. The existence of a democratic control. The provisions of goods and services at a reasonable price. The ability to engage in different types of business activities in different fields. Engaging in activities with mutual cooperation. Any surplus gain will be distributed among members. Limitations of a cooperative society. So there are limited means of raising capitals. Restricted to the cooperative policies. Cooperative outlets are open for only a limited time in a day. Public sector interference from government. Normally, there are no credit sales, hence there would be low revenue. So these are some of the proposals that could be suggested to develop cooperatives. Extending the business hours, considering selling on credit terms, selecting experienced and effective and skillful persons to the management, usage of various promotional strategies, arranging showrooms for consumer attraction, introduce modern technology when providing services. So that's it with this video, guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.